Hello, welcome to the video. Today's video unboxing, obviously, this is the box here. Right at the title alone. Typically, I got this box because I didn't know if I would not. I ordered it during the whole coronavirus nonsense thing. Not different nonsense, but it is getting over ridiculous at this point. Anyhow, as a bit of precaution, because obviously there's a lot of things going around, I set the camera up and I haven't touched the box. So I brought the box in, washed my hands, then I set the camera up, set it all up. There's about one side of the record button, kind of frozen in the front. I set the box up. I haven't touched the camera since then, since it was the first time I want to wash my hands afterwards. So hopefully this does nothing on it. I doubt it does, but you know what? Why risk it? So we're not going to cut open the knife. I'll wash my knife afterwards because that's the one thing I am touching because I kind of have to. So. Okay. Let's see what we have. Well, I know what we have. You know. No. I should have bought this a long time ago. This is a hard drive dock for 3.5 and 2.5 inch drives. That's why I read 3.5 inch drives externally without a desktop that you can internally like that one. Sorry to get that here a minute. This is a new cable. I have one of these already. I want a second one. 2.5 quarter inch, 2.5 stereo to the quarter left and right of my board. And another one of these too, actually. It's a little different out there. I'm with my car. On mine, the lock button doesn't work anymore, so I need a new one. And, okay. My box. I mean, these two, I'll be honest with you, you don't need to scan it. You can still get out already. I'll put it in there. That's all it is. So you run that thing out of it. This guy. Let's go ahead and cut it open. I'm not worried about the stuff inside it doesn't because this hasn't been touched by anybody. Probably a few months because it's been packaged and I've got shelf in there. Now my hands are on it, I took my other box though, so you know. I don't care that much to be honest. Okay, now what? We can't fix this, huh? Okay, now come on then, fuck you. I'll go the other way, that's why. Oh well. Here's the actual dock. Oh, maybe. Look at this cat, nice. So we have a dust cap. I'm not used to it. It's nice. So I'm manual drawer later. And here's all the cables and security you probably get by now. I certainly have. So USB to A 3.0 cable. I knew this is already, so I already knew. And the car 2.5 drives for 1 power. Oh, well, and my I hate you. Why do they use this though? They're so bulky. I don't use the password now. They're just using the damn way. Damn it. Alright. Oh well. And the other one. Just a tad annoying. Yeah. I don't remember what you wrote on here. She gave to run up. But why not? I should be like. I feel about being nice, right? Sort of. I'm gonna ring too nice. This is almost smaller than the other one. I think it's breaking a lot because it's not programmed yet. Dang. I'll get all this. I'm waiting for once I do it. So yeah, my car's went and programmed it. Alright. See you there. If anything. I should test this. Let's see. Yeah, I'll test that out and see. Okay. Oh, I have to test all that stuff now. Oh, I guess we're not meaning OCD, but there's too much. Alright, that's pretty dumb actually. Oh well. See you guys. Yeah, I'll see you guys on plus the I got die. Alright. So you guys, a bit later in the day. We're going to try the hardware deck out. Okay. Don't start like this. See the dock. Here. There we go. And slot in a drive. Strap it in. Alright, cool. Now you have two connections, the power cable and the data cable. Take your standard hard drive. You can undo the power cable switch side. I'm for you guys. As you see in. And again, why the big power brick? It's not necessary, just put a cord on it and put a brick mode for not fucking around the outlet. 1,020 people, it's kind of annoying. And I'm sure you know how to plug a cord in an outlet, so I'm not going to show you guys me plugging into the outlet. It's kind of dumb. I wasn't sure how the off switch is used to off, and it wasn't. But I'll check that. It's a bit far away. I have to turn it a bit. Alright, cool. I put it upside down to get more. I need the second plug still. So now plugging the USB cable. My days are really old hard drive, so it's not under transfer super fast. This is my 2007, 6-ish. So it's the old side out, probably 2. Standard. But my other drive that I want to support the most, it doesn't take advantage of the USB 3 stuff. Think about that first. And the unit. Alright. Oh, it's all on shatter. Yep. And turn it on, see what happens. This. Alright, there we go. Recovery F and OS E. This is probably my, yeah, users. Okay. Get around that. This is my dreadful visit drive. You know, the Dell 531. Originally, I got the Dell 531 computer when my dreadful passed away. 3 years ago, almost. Next month, actually. It's been a lot longer than that. That drive sounds great. It's like 13 years old, I'm not surprised. But it's not when I'm loaded. You know that when. Oh boy. Okay, on second thought, let's go somewhere else. I have backups. That is strange. What the hell? Alright, oh yeah, I know what it's on here. Okay. Let's try a different drive that maybe isn't so old. So the next drive we're gonna try is one of those two drives from back in the day. You machine do G644, I think. They tried my better condition. Put the order actually. A little better. Oh, it hasn't worked before, and it's trying to be a Vista drive or be a Windows 7 drive, I think. So that drive sounds a lot bigger. Yeah, this was my C drive. That was the order that Ben Durbin thing. Let's see here. Yeah, that looks a lot better. That drive probably fucked up. That's I looked at a clone of it. So no big deal. Okay, cool. Did that then. So yeah, this drive here is probably almost done. That was a Vista drive. Gotta clone that one already. What about it? Or image it rather than I cloned it. Desktop. Is that actually okay? I didn't say. That's just me I heard, but I don't remember. There's what the connect. There's the background image from that screen video. I think these are what? See if it works now. Oh, I know I'm supposed to do it, but I forgot to use this for the screen videos. I did the SSD upgrade. Is there anything important on here? No. I'll try the dual drive mode. Dual drive. And see if we can do it or not. So we're going to eject it again. Dual theater reach. There. I'll stop back in the dying drive. That's enough. Fire it up. And now we wait. Cool. I'll load it up. That's a whole lot of hard drive. I am the hard drive king, bitches. So F users. That's the SD drive. Computer. OS. See if we can get in this time. You can. Desktop. This is the Acer banner. I'll show it to the one because they're all routed to the C drive, not the proper thing. Downloads. I get off of the item. Except for the attack ones. What's this? MT. Oh, what's this? Oh, shit. There we go. I have it. I think manual, I thought it was manual or something, but no, nope. Not a manual. Oh, shit. But it does work. The drive is kind of working now. I've been just like working from the dead, like what the fuck is going on here? Oh, we know it works. So, alright. If you guys enjoyed the unboxing. I did plug in the 1/4 inch cable earlier. It was a little short, but I extended it 3.5mm adapter. Down now, 3.5mm end, and it works. The remote, I have been out there to set my car. I'll put in later as a text if it works or not. I'm sure it will. And yeah, if you all enjoyed, till next time, take it easy.